Ethical hacking is a very small part of red teaming. Criminal will not even touch those layers of security and challenging your infrastructure. Giving this work called red teaming red teaming assessment of my entire company.
क्या बोलते हैं रेड टीम?
Red teaming. Red teaming normally is a word used by defense forces to conduct offensive operations against any entity. By any means, if you could penetrate that system and can steal information or physical assets or anything. So जैसे आपकी बिल्डिंग है, अब मैं इस बिल्डिंग के अंदर घुस के दिखा दूँ, bypassing all your security measures, and can also steal information, and can also create an illusion that for very long time you may not be able to figure it out that it has happened. So this is something which we call red teaming. It is possible, and we'll give you the report. Okay, these are the vulnerabilities. We keep doing this for various organizations.
तो जैसे आप बोलते हो एथिकल हैकिंग.
Ethical hacking is a very small part of red teaming.
ओके.
So red teaming is a subset है उसका ethical hacking also, or penetration testing, or VAPT, or security audits, or many physical asset securities and all. But red teaming is a bigger thing. Red teaming means hiring hackers and challenging your infrastructure. So इस case में where you have set up a building where you have biometric, you have CCTV, you have RF sensors, you have many more other layers of securities, criminal will not even touch those layers of security. Probably वो एक टनल क्रिएट करेगा, अंदर घुसेगा घर में और चुरा के ले जाएगा. अब आपने सोचा ही नहीं. एक पिछले हफ्ते की न्यूज़ देखना. There's a news गुजरात में एक पेट्रोल पंप में 1 महीने तक लोग पेट्रोल चुराते रहे क्योंकि उन्होंने टनल खोद दिया था नीचे. So there was a full-fledged tunnel and there were students, they were stealing diesel or petrol, whatever. अब आप सोचो कि पेट्रोल पंप से टनल खोद के कोई पेट्रोल निकाल लेगा, नहीं सोचा किसी ने. अदरवाइज तो बहुत सिक्योर होता है, 24 घंटे चल रहा है, उससे भी चोरी हो गई ना. सो क्रिमिनल का थॉट प्रोसेस थोड़ा सा ऑफबीट होता है.